When we are still children, the whole world and everything in it seems so big, so big. Except for one tiny car. It may not have been a car, but we made it one. A small two-seater, two-door, with a rear-mounted 15-horsepower engine and rear-wheel drive. 4 forward and 4 reverse gears, as well as push-button start, drifting vertical handbrake lever, sequential gearbox, self-made hydraulic systems and clutch and brake pedals, nice wheels, 13 inches, built on the basis of the SMZ S3D motorized stroller by the Pereiaslav.dzhura.club. Children's dreams must come true.